Hey, so today so far I'm hiccup free, which is fantastic. It's December 1st, 2017. Isn't that crazy? So yesterday I had a meeting or an appointment, an exam with a physician for SSI, which is Social Security Benefits for Disability. And they call you and make sure that you're going to be your appointment. They have you sign papers and do all this stuff previous to showing up, and insist that you bring all your medications, which makes you think that they're going to check you out and your ailment specifically. An exam of your issue. What I got was something completely different. It felt more like an ambush than a legitimate exam. It was 5 minutes with the doctor. He was only interested in my physical appearance at the moment and physical ability in those 5 minutes, not where I could be later that day or tomorrow with these hiccups, choking spasms, breathing spasms. He wasn't interested in that. I tried to inject that conversation, and he refused to go into any details of my ailment. It was very cookie cutter, designed for a specific purpose, to see if you can go to work today as you are. And I found that quite offensive, kind of a setup, and abusive. Here I have something that's extremely rare, so already people come at me with questions and not necessarily believing, and so that makes it already difficult. And when I have good days, I try to celebrate them, but I also feel extremely guilty for those good days. And yesterday it sent me into a tailspin where I was feeling like I was being shamed for having a good day, and unfortunately I have to go through a lot of good days before I'll be allowed back to work. So it's a kind of a catch-22. But I just was not happy about that experience yesterday at all. It had nothing to do with me, my ailment, or to examine me and my condition. It was about a 5-minute assessment of me in those 5 minutes period, and that's they're playing with my life, my income through this process within those 5 minutes, and I just found that not to be really appropriate. And so this is my little rant for today. Thanks for listening.